Men over 60, the hidden mineral that restores your drive like never before. Hey there, gentlemen. Do you ever wake up feeling like your spark just isn't what it used to be? Maybe you're tired, dragging through the day, or noticing your confidence isn't quite as strong as it once was. You're not alone. Meet John, a 62-year-old retired teacher from Ohio. John loved his morning walks, tinkering in his garage, and joking with his grandkids. But a few years ago, he started feeling off. His energy tanked, his focus faded, and even getting up from the couch felt like a chore. John worried he was losing the independence he'd worked so hard to keep. Sound familiar? Here's the thing, it's not just aging. There's a hidden mineral your body might be missing, and it's quietly draining your drive, your energy, your strength, even your zest for life. What if I told you one simple nutrient could help bring back that youthful spark? No pills, no gimmicks, just something natural you can start tonight. Curious? That mineral is zinc, and it's a game changer for men over 60. Stick with me because today I'm sharing why zinc is your secret weapon, the best foods to get it, and a simple plan to feel stronger, sharper, and more like you again. Let's dive in and take control of your health together. Why does this matter? Because you deserve to live with energy and confidence, to keep doing the things you love, whether it's playing golf, gardening, or just keeping up with your family. You're not here to fade away, you're here to thrive. So what's really going on with your body, and why is zinc so important? Let's find out the problem, why your drive fades. Let's talk about what's happening under the hood. As we age, our bodies change, hormones dip. Muscles weaken and energy levels drop. But here is something you might not know. A sneaky mineral deficiency could be making it worse. That mineral, zinc. And for men over 60, low zinc levels can hit hard. Meet Tom, a 67-year-old from Florida. Tom used to love fishing with his buddies, but he started noticing he was too tired to cast his line for long. His confidence took a hit. He even avoided social outings because he felt less than. Tom thought it was just old age creeping in. But the truth is, low zinc was silently draining his drive. Zinc is critical for testosterone production, muscle strength, and energy metabolism. When it's low, you feel it: fatigue, brain fog, weaker muscles, even a dip in your mood.
Here's the science made simple.
Here's the science made simple. Zinc is a mineral your body doesn't store, so you need it every day. It's like oil in your car engine. Without it, things start to grind. By age 60, your body absorbs less zinc from food, and certain habits, like eating processed meals or taking certain meds, can make it worse. Studies show up to 40% of seniors are zinc deficient. And it's linked to low testosterone, which fuels your energy, strength, and even your libido. Without enough zinc, your body struggles to repair muscles, fight fatigue, or keep your mind sharp. Why does this matter? Because losing your drive isn't just about feeling tired. It's about losing the freedom to live life on your terms, mowing your lawn, playing with your grandkids, or just feeling like the man you know you are. When zinc levels drop, it's like your body's battery is running low, and no amount of coffee or willpower can fully recharge it. But here's the good news. You can fix this naturally.
Want to know how a simple mineral can turn things around?
Want to know how a simple mineral can turn things around? Let us talk about why zinc is so powerful and how it can help you feel like yourself again, the hidden powerhouse. So why is zinc such a big deal? Think of it as your body's spark plug. Zinc powers up your hormones, muscles, and energy in ways you can feel. Let's meet Richard, a 65-year-old from Texas. Richard was skeptical when his doctor mentioned zinc, but after adding zinc-rich foods to his diet, he was shocked. Within weeks, he felt stronger, more focused, and even started lifting weights again. His wife noticed his old confidence was back. That's the power of zinc. Here's how it works without the jargon. Zinc is essential for producing testosterone, the hormone that keeps your muscles strong, your energy high, and your mood steady. A 2010 study in the Journal of Nutrition found that zinc deficiency in older men led to lower testosterone and weaker grip strength. Boosting zinc? It reversed those effects. Zinc also helps your body make energy from food, repair muscle tissue, and fight inflammation that drags you down. It's like giving your body a tune-up, but it's not just about science, it's about how you feel. Imagine waking up with enough energy to tackle your day, feeling sharp enough to solve that crossword puzzle, or strong enough to carry groceries without a struggle. Zinc doesn't just help your body. It helps you reclaim the life you love, and the best part, you don't need expensive supplements or complicated routines. Nature's got you covered with foods you probably already have in your kitchen. Curious about which foods pack the most zinc? You're about to discover simple, delicious options that can make a real difference. No need for pills or fads, just real food that works. Let's explore the best zinc-rich foods that can help you feel stronger and more vibrant, starting today. Top zinc-rich foods to restore drive. Now let's get to the good stuff. Food you don't need a pharmacy to boost your zinc, you just need to know what to eat. Let's meet Frank, a 70-year-old from California. Frank was feeling sluggish, barely able to keep up with his daily walks. His daughter suggested adding zinc-rich foods to his meals. 3 weeks later, Frank was back to walking a mile a day, even joining a local hiking group.
Here's what he ate and you can too.
Here's what he ate, you can too. First up, oysters. They're the king of zinc foods. One serving has more zinc than you need in a day. Don't like oysters? No problem. Beef is another powerhouse. A small steak gives you half your daily zinc, plus protein to rebuild muscles. Not a meat eater. Pumpkin seeds are your friend. Just a handful has about 2 milligrams of zinc, and they're easy to sprinkle on salads or snack on roasted. Lentils are another great option, perfect for soups or side dishes, and they're gentle on your stomach. Here's a quick tip: preparation matters. Roast pumpkin seeds with a pinch of salt for a crunchy snack. Grill or pan-sear beef to keep it tender and flavorful. For lentils, cook them with garlic and onion for a hearty dish. These foods aren't just zinc bombs, they're tasty and easy to add to your routine. Studies, like one from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2013,
Show that getting zinc from food is better than supplements because your body absorbs it more naturally with fewer side effects.
Show that getting zinc from food is better than supplements because your body absorbs it more naturally, with fewer side effects. Why food over pills? Supplements can be tricky. Too much zinc can mess with other nutrients like copper, and seniors don't need that hassle. Real food gives you zinc plus other goodies like fiber and antioxidants that work together to boost your drive. Want to make these foods work even better? Let's talk about some simple habits to supercharge your zinc absorption and get you feeling stronger, faster. Lifestyle boosters for zinc absorption. Eating zinc-rich foods is a great start, but a few smart habits can make them work even better. Let's meet George, a 68-year-old from Chicago. George started eating more beef and pumpkin seeds, but he didn't feel much change until he learned how to help his body absorb zinc. A month later, he was back to fixing up his old car. Full of energy. Here's what he did. First, pair zinc foods with vitamin C. Think beef with a side of bell peppers or lentils with a tomato salad. Vitamin C helps your body grab onto zinc, so it doesn't just pass through. A 2014 study in Nutrients showed that vitamin C boosts zinc absorption by up to 20%. Next, try to avoid eating high-calcium foods
Like dairy at the same time as zinc-rich meals.
Calcium can block zinc absorption, so save your cheese or yogurt for a different time of day. Light exercise also helps. A brisk 20-minute walk or some gentle resistance training like lifting small weights or doing chair squats tells your body to use zinc for muscle repair and energy. George started walking after dinner, and it made a huge difference. Hydration matters too. Drink plenty of water to keep your digestive system moving, helping your body pull zinc from food.
These aren't big changes, just small tweaks that add up.
These aren't big changes, just small tweaks that add up. Think of it like tuning a radio to get a clear signal. You're helping your body get the most out of every bite. Want to avoid some common mistakes that could sabotage your progress? Let's look at what not to do, so you can keep your zinc levels high and your drive higher. Avoiding common zinc mistakes. Even with the best foods, it's easy to miss the mark if you're not careful. Let's meet Henry, a 66-year-old from Michigan. Henry was eating zinc-rich foods like lentils and beef, but he felt no different. Why? He was making a few common mistakes. Once he fixed them, his energy and strength came roaring back. Here's what to watch out for. First, don't overdo supplements. Henry was taking a high-dose zinc pill, thinking more was better. But too much zinc can throw off your body's balance, lowering copper levels and causing nausea or fatigue. A 2017 study in the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry warned that excess zinc supplements can do more harm than good for seniors. Stick to food sources whenever possible, they're safer and more effective. Next, watch out for zinc blockers. Foods high in phytates like whole grains or unsoaked beans can bind to zinc and stop your body from using it. Henry loved his morning bran cereal, but it was blocking the zinc from his lunchtime beef. Try soaking grains or beans overnight to reduce phytates, or eat them at different meals. Also, avoid taking zinc-rich foods with coffee or tea. Tannins in these drinks can interfere with absorption. Finally, don't expect overnight miracles. Zinc builds up slowly, so give it a few weeks.
Henry saw results after sticking with his new habits for a month. Patience pays off.
Henry saw results after sticking with his new habits for a month. Patience pays off. By dodging these pitfalls, you're setting yourself up for success. Ready to put this all together into a simple daily plan? Let's make it easy to start tonight. How to apply it your daily zinc plan.
Now let's make this real.
You don't need a complicated routine to boost your zinc and reclaim your drive.
Here's a simple daily plan, inspired by Mike, a 71-year-old from Arizona.
Here's a simple daily plan, inspired by Mike, a 71-year-old from Arizona. Mike was skeptical but followed this plan and in 3 weeks felt strong enough to start woodworking again. Here's how you can do it too. Morning. Start with a zinc-rich breakfast. Try oatmeal topped with a tablespoon of pumpkin seeds, 2 milligrams zinc and a sliced orange for vitamin C. It's filling, tasty, and sets you up for the day. Take a 15-minute walk afterward to boost absorption. Nothing intense, just move your body. Lunch. Go for a beef stir-fry with bell peppers and broccoli. A 4-ounce serving of lean beef gives you about 5 milligrams of zinc, plus protein for muscles. Keep it simple. Pan-sear the beef with olive oil, garlic and veggies. If you're vegetarian, swap beef for a cup of cooked lentils with a tomato side salad. Snack. Grab a handful of roasted pumpkin seeds or a small piece of dark chocolate. Yes, it has a bit of zinc. Pair it with water to stay hydrated. Avoid dairy snacks here to keep zinc absorption high. Dinner. Keep it light with a lentil soup or grilled chicken with a side of spinach. Chicken has about 2 milligrams of zinc per serving, and spinach adds a little extra. End your day with a 5-minute stretch routine, gentle arm circles or leg stretches too. Help your muscles recover overnight. Pro tip, aim for 11 milligrams of zinc daily, the recommended amount for men over 60, but don't stress about counting. A mix of these foods gets you there.
If you're consistent, you'll feel stronger and sharper in a few weeks. Mike's secret?
If you're consistent, you'll feel stronger and sharper in a few weeks. Mike's secret. He kept it simple and made small changes he could stick with. You can too. Conclusion and hopeful wrap up. Gentlemen, you've got the tools now. Zinc is your hidden weapon to restore energy, strength, and that confident drive you thought might be gone. Remember John, our retired teacher? He started adding pumpkin seeds and beef to his meals, took short walks, and avoided those zinc-blocking mistakes.
Now, at 62, he's back to playing catch with his grandkids and feeling like himself again. That can be you.
Now at 62, he's back to playing catch with his grandkids and feeling like himself again. That can be you. You don't have to accept fatigue or fading confidence as just aging. With simple foods like oysters, beef, lentils, and pumpkin seeds, plus a few smart habits, you can take control. Start small, maybe a handful of seeds tonight or a beef stir-fry tomorrow.
You're not just eating. You're rebuilding your strength, your energy, your independence.
You're not just eating. You're rebuilding your strength, your energy, your independence. I know it's scary to feel like time is stealing your vitality, but you're stronger than that. You've built a life you're proud of and you deserve to live it fully. Try this plan for a week and let me know in the comments how it's going. I read everyone and I'm rooting for you. If John, Frank, and Mike can do it, so can you. Hit that subscribe button for more tips to stay active and independent, and share this with a friend who needs a boost. Let's do this together because you're not just getting older, you're getting stronger.
God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.
God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.